Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So in today's video, I'm making a vegan French toast because one of my subscribers asked me, and since it's mango season, so I'm using this mango to make a mango compote. And I also have some vegan bacon, so I'm gonna try this out for the first time. Hopefully it tastes good. And let's get cooking. To make the mango compote, we start with 4 tablespoons of vegan butter, 1 cup of diced mangoes. The sweeter the mango, the better. Four tablespoons of orange juice, add your vanilla extract, nutmeg and cinnamon. Stir to mix everything. Then add your coconut nectar, or you can add maple syrup, honey, or sugar, anything like that. Let it cook for about 10 minutes. To make the French toast batter, add 1 cup of oat milk or any non-dairy milk. Then add your cinnamon, nutmeg, nutritional yeast, your millet flour, your chia seed, vanilla extract, Whisk. Then add your coconut nectar or any other sweetener you want to, like maple syrup or honey, even sugar. Then put it in the fridge for 10 minutes to activate the yeast and the chia seed. Place your vegan bacon on the griddle and cook until it gets crispy. Take a look of the compote, looks so good already. And for the French toast, dip your bread into the batter, both sides, and place on the griddle and cook for 3 to 4 minutes until it gets nice golden brown. Check your bacon and flip it over to cook the other side. Check the bread and flip it over. Both sides should be nice golden brown. And everything is ready, so now it's time to plate. And thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe for more video and comment down below. Thank you for watching. Chef Caesar.